Okay, so here we go. Everyone's favorite, I think. It's an unboxing. I don't do unboxings. This is probably my first unboxing that I've ever done on video. This is a little ditty that I got off of eBay. So let's open this up. Looks it was packed nice so far. Yep. Nice stiff box. Well, packing was okay. Here it goes. It's a Philco. All right. I saw this and I said, I gotta try it. Well, we got some problems here because there's something is broken here. I'm not sure what this is or where this came from. I had a piece of paper in there. I did ask the seller to take the batteries out before he shipped it. And obviously he didn't. D batteries that are probably ancient. And yeah, okay. Heavy duty Rayovacs. Let's see, do they have an expiration date on them? I don't know, I can't read that. I don't know. Don't know if they're any good or not, but we'll take them out. Unfortunately, I don't have any D batteries, but I wanted to show this. It looks really nice. The leather looks like it's in pretty good shape. The tuner is loose, nice. I don't mean loose like it's loose. I mean it's not binding up. And the volume on-off switch down in there. Maybe if I got a little bit more light here, it would help. Yeah, how's that? Yeah, let me... The volume control looks okay. It hasn't been tested yet. Again, I don't have D batteries to test it. But it's got a center tap on it. So I need to put the batteries in order to get this baby to work. Let me see if I got some batteries that I can plug this in, and let me see if we can get this baby working. Let me pause you here for a minute. Okay, well, I tested the batteries that came with it. The batteries are actually good, but when the batteries are in here, I get 1.5. Let me get light again here. I get 1.5 volts across this battery, and then this battery is intermittent. Terminals are really corroded, so it's going to take some time to do some work on this, get it cleaned up, and I'll be back after I get that all cleaned up. See if it makes a difference. Okay, well, I went inside. I cleaned up the contacts and I'm getting a little bit of noise, but no stations. So this is going to be, this radio is in really nice condition. The leather is nice on it. Yeah, this will be a repair video, get it working. It's what's interesting, if you look at this, up here is the indicator of where it should be, okay? But if you look down here is your civil defense, and there's another indicator here. So when you're on this civil defense, okay, you're right where you're supposed to be up here. And the same thing here, you're on that civil defense marker. I think that's really cool. Anyway, Thanks for jumping in. This was a quick one. I'll have to pull the schematic on this and see where we're at and see what I can do to get it running. Take care. Hey, please subscribe. I love to see my subscribers going up. I thank everybody that's already subscribed. Comment, whatever. I try to answer everybody. Take care. Okay, so why are we back? I said the video was over, so why did I come back? Well, guess what, guys? I was going to do a restoration video on this. This is a T75 124 or a T74 125. I don't remember. I'll look inside the cover.
Very windy and sharply colder later tomorrow into tomorrow afternoon with clouds.
Remember, it wasn't working.
Temperatures fall through the teens.
So what the heck happened?
Tomorrow night, AccuWeather real field temperatures dropping to 20 below zero into tomorrow. Up there in the First World War.
Very selective. I mean, yes, I'm in New Jersey, northern New Jersey, within the New York metropolitan area, so I do get a lot of radio stations.
And they give you a finite period of time to
77 WABC.
Fight this Titanic against Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan. And
Very directional also.
Horrible things that happened
So,
in World War II.
I'm going to turn it off. So what happened? Okay, I'm gonna open the back up. Just bear with me for a second here. It's a nice radio, leather case. The leather's in good condition. You know, yeah, bear with me, guys. I don't want to damage it. Just hold on. Relax. Okay. Yeah, the leather is pushed out a little bit. Okay, so what happened here? Well, first of all, coming down over here, let me get some more light. Let me get some more light in there. Well, right over in here, this terminal and this terminal were touching and shorting out. I happened to, when I was finishing up the video, I happened to move something and I heard something. So I poked around. Yeah, I know I was going to do a restoration, but interesting. So I pried those apart. I started to get something. Cleaned the volume control and did a little repair work on the batteries. Let me see. I don't know. This is going to be tough here if you can see this or not. I don't know if you can see down in there. What I did was I made a coil of wire, put it through to the other side, because don't forget, this is center tapped as well. It just wasn't making good battery connection. So I did that. This battery, you can see I got a little tie around it now because the cardboard continually slips away and allows the battery to disconnect. So that's kind of holding the card in the battery terminal. A real chintzy I would like to put a new battery terminal in there, but this is all original, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. That's it. That's all I did. Volume control, clean up the battery terminals, and take those and clean that up over here. You could see the wires. Let me see. Bear with me for a second here. Yep, wrong way. See those wires? They're all loose. Somebody had to be in here messing around. I still have to resolder those, clean that terminal up a little bit. It just took the wires from hitting the other terminal. The radio's working. So, pretty much an easy fix. And off we go. That's it, guys. Again, turn it around. Again, I moved the battery terminal, and now it won't work. This one battery terminal down in here. Oh, I got to put the other battery in. That was stupid. Stunad here. I got to put the camera down. Yep. Okay.
Most expensive aspect of the AI build out is the data center.
Lots of volume.
And I think that
Right elbow shot. Sellers is going to go. Helped others win an $18.75 million.
Nice sounding little radio. Yeah. So that's it. That's all I did. So I'm just adding this on to the unboxing. Thanks for watching.